Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring a fascinating Montessori materials used in early childhood classrooms, constructive triangles. These beautiful hands-on geometric shapes help children discover the different shapes can come together to form new ones. By the end of this video, you will know what constructive triangles are, their purpose, the learning outcomes, and how to present them to the children in a Montessori way. Constructive triangles are a set of Montessori sensorial materials designed to help children explore geometry through concrete, hands on manipulation. They consist of 5 color-coded boxes, each containing triangles of various shapes, color, and sizes. The boxes usually include these triangles have black lines along some edges, making it easy for children to match and join them to form a new shape like square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapeziums, hexagons, and more. The primary purpose of constructive triangles is to introduce children to geometry in a sensorial and concrete way. Direct goal of this activity is to show the different geometric shapes can be constructed from triangles. It also helps them preparation for geometry concepts in later years, develop concentration, fine motor skills, spatial awareness, and logical thinking. Build the foundation for understanding shapes, equivalence, symmetry, and geometry vocabulary. These materials gives children the moment, realizing that triangles are the building blocks of many shapes in the world around us. Now let's learn how to present constructive triangles. Before going to the presentation, just to note, present one box at a time depending on the child's level. Here is an example using the rectangular box. Step 1. Invite your child or children. Like, would you like to work with the constructive triangles? Carry one box to the mat or a child-sized table. Step 2. Introduce the material. Open the box carefully, remove the triangles one by one and place them neatly on the mat or table. Step 3 is now the time for exploration. Pick two triangles with black edges. Slowly align them edges to edges to form a rectangle. Pause. Allow the child to observe. So what you need to do here, slowly align the edge to edge to form a rectangle. Give a pause. Allow the child to observe you. Then say softly, these two triangles join to make a rectangle. Repeat with different combination to form a square or other shapes. Step 4. Child's turn. Invite the child to create shapes themselves. Allow time for experimentation. Self-correction comes naturally through visual matching. Step 5. To learn language. Introduce the vocabulary. Triangle, edge, angles, square, rectangle, join, match, etc. Step 6. Complete the activity. Once done, gently deassemble the shapes, place triangles back and return the box to the shelf. Constructive triangles give children the freedom to discover geometric truth on their own without direct teaching or worksheet. It's an excellent example of Montessori's belief, hands lead the mind. Through simple exploration, children build a strong conceptual foundation for understanding geometry in primary school and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Montessori insights. Comments below if you would like us to cover another sensorial material next. See you in the next video. Bye bye.